What's up? ¿Cómo ça va? ¿Cómo está? Ni hao ma. Alright, today I am welcoming you to a Better Path Coming Soon University. This is language arts, first class, vocabulary. Okay? The universe is confused by our words. So today, in our first class, we are going to look at two words and we're going to eliminate one from our vocabulary. You guys ready? Alright. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then you tell me which words you wanted to eliminate. The first one we're going to look at is conscience. Conscious? How do you pronounce it? I say conscience, right? And then we also have the word conscience. How do you pronounce it? Conscience. I like to say conscience because the universe is confused. Conscience, conscious. We're going to eliminate one today. So let's first look at this word right here. Conscious. Together, conscious means to be awake, right? Okay. Now when you break the word, you have con and chus. The word con as a prefix means together. As a verb, it means to defraud. As a noun, it means deception. Now the word choose now, alright, means to have knowledge. But together, conscious means to be awake. That's what they told us, right? Okay, let's go to the next word. Sound the same. Conscience. 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 That's what I like to say. One word, it means inner sense of right or wrong. But when you break it down, the con, right, is the same in the conscience, right? As a prefix, together means together. As a verb, the fraud. As a noun, deception. Okay? But you have the word science here. Why don't they pronounce it conscience? Alright? The word science is knowledge of any kind in a specific, right? You study something specific. You have knowledge. But looks like you have knowledge of right or wrong. Inner sin. Huh? I like that word. Conscience. Think about it as going against their science. Which one you would like to eliminate? Conscience or conscious? Conscious, you awake. Conscience, you have the inner sense. Okay? Your knowledge, your truth comes from within. And you know right from wrong. Which ones you would like to eliminate? I'm eliminating this one. Okay? Conscious, gone. And we are no longer confusing the universe. We're going to say conscience. And instead of conscience, let's just say awake. We're awake. I'm awake. Because just because you're awake, that doesn't mean you know anything that's right or wrong. But when you conscience, hey, get your list together. We are changing the word conscious to awake. And we're going to say conscience. So we can stop confusing the universe. And I will see you next class. I love you. Let me know what you think about this lesson. See you next time. Ciao.